We all know that last decade was the hottest decade ever. A lot of talk is going on about how to control global warming. We have seen spiraling oil prices in recent times. So we are here to suggest new alternative energy source biofuel. Myself Amit Jain, along with my friends Mr. Prashant Saurabh and Mr. Kumar Sambhal from Vinod Gupta School of Management IIT Kharagpur are going to throw some light on our topic biodiesel the way ahead. So Mr. Prashant Saurabh, what is biodiesel and how it is different from other?
Amit, if you will look, biodiesel is obtained by transforming animal fat and vegetable oil with alcohol. But the current trend of transforming biodiesel is by crushing rapeseed and jatropha. Also, biodiesel can be obtained by recycling of waste. If we will compare biodiesel with alternate sources of energy like solar energy, hydel power, or geothermal energy, the main advantage of biodiesel stands in the lower setup cost. Also, the operational time of biodiesel is very less, and the efficiency and the ease to carry of biodiesel is advantage towards biodiesel.
Mr. Sambhal, can you throw some light on the environmental aspect of biodiesel, means how it's going to impact our environment?
Well, it depends upon the content of biodiesel in the fuel mix we are using. Normally, we don't use pure biodiesel. We use 80% biodiesel mixture with diesel. If we compare this mixture with diesel, which we are using traditionally, we can see that the traditional diesel exhaust contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, soot, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide, all. And these all gases are very hazardous. They create acid rain, global warming, they decrease in the agriculture productivity. At the same time, they harm human by creating irritants like eye irritants, lung problem. So, while at the same time, if we look at the fuel mix, it reduces the carbon dioxide emission by 78%, it reduces the soot emission by 84%, SO2 emission by 8% and all. So overall, its impact on human reduces by 75 to 85%.
Okay. Mr. Prashant, if I say that I am going to use this biodiesel in my car, then do I need to make any changes in my engine? And also, what would be the mileage and efficiency of my engine in that case? Is it going to impact my pocket?
Well, Amit, if you are going to use biodiesel in its purest form, then you have to make slight adjustment in your fuel tank. But as Sambhav told, like we are not using biodiesel in its purest form. Basically, what we are doing is we are using the two variants of biodiesel, that is B100 and B20. And these variants are a mixture of biodiesel to diesel in a ratio 4:1. And in that case, you don't have to make any adjustment in your engine design. Also, the efficiency, that is the mileage of biodiesel, is bit less compared to the normal fuel, normal petrol, gasoline fuel. But when we will have a look at the things in bigger aspect, then in that case, biodiesel is much more efficient. It causes less pollution. It is more, means the availability of biodiesel is much higher than your petrol fuels, and the cost of biodiesel is much lesser.
But Mr. Sambhav, can you give us means how the biodiesel is going to affect social and economic scenarios in India? What are the bigger production houses in India that are producing that?
First of all, if you look at the direct impact of biodiesel in Indian scenario, it certainly reduces India's dependency on foreign oil. Other than this, in agriculture sector, it encourages farmers to go for the crops like corn, jatropha, cambric, which are input for biodiesel industry. So it is certainly going to improve their financial status. The beauty with these crops is that they don't demand arable land. So poorer region where we have problem with irrigation, this can be a boon. They can go for these crops very easily. In industrial sector also, to set up a biodiesel plant demands a lot of infrastructure as well as machinery. So it is going to create employment in other sector also. In operation phase also, this is going to create employment for youth. So overall, this is a very good investment. If you are talking about Indian scenario, we don't have any large player as such for now. We have many small players which are working in Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. But in future, we expect many large companies going into this sector.
That's quite good insight. It is really going to create a lot of opportunity in India.